Want to become a star of Instagram? Get tons of likes with our life hacks. Watch a new video and make your profile unique. Redhead and Dolly are discussing the latest gossip news. Meanwhile, Vicky appears on the horizon holding an umbrella. What's wrong with her? Why is she taking an umbrella? The sky is totally clear, but this umbrella is not to protect from rain. It's an accessory for a photo session. Take paints and sponges. Let's get started. Squeeze sky blue paint onto a sponge and color the inside of an umbrella. Add white puffy clouds. Done! You can use the sky umbrella indoors. Turn off bright light and light up the fake sky with a flashlight. Vicky has her own piece of sky right above her head. However surprising it might seem, but you can take extremely bright photos with a pale wall on the background. Your friends would have nothing of the kind. In order to pull it off, you need to ask your friends to tape you to the wall using adhesive tape of different colors. Dolly has done her best to attach her friend with as much tape as possible. Now, Redhead only has to make an unhappy face expression, eyes full of horror, and imitate a cry of despair, or show surprise, or just smile. How did I happen to get here? These unusual snaps will attract much attention on social media. We have to save Dolly right now. She was taken captive by a treacherous genie that trapped her in an hourglass. Take a backing board out of a photo frame. Paint it bright. Trace an hourglass template. Cut it out. Add details. We prepared a Ziploc bag beforehand. We cut the bottom to make a corner and sealed it with a heated knife. Put glitter into the bag. Attach it to the back side of the hourglass using multipurpose or super glue. Put the hourglass into the frame. Now, we just have to place Dolly inside the hourglass and cut the bag corner, letting the glitter fall onto the model in the shot. We have to save Dolly, but not from the genie. We have to save her from a huge amount of likes. They will fall down on her like sand from an hourglass after posting the photos. We need new ideas immediately. And what if Redhead takes her hair away and gets out holding her head above the tabletop? Dolly stands above her and takes her head in her hands. So there are hands, legs, and her friend's head in the shot. Well, none of your friends have a picture like this. Fruit balloons are so lovely. You won't find them anywhere because these are not balloons at all. Make holes in a foam plastic egg using the heated nozzle of a hot glue gun imitating strawberry seeds. Color the berry with acrylic paints. Apply yellow paint to the seed holes. Fold a square green foam rubber sheet a few times. Cut out strawberry leaves. Scratch a leaf pattern using a wooden skewer. Shade it with green pastel. Fold and roll the foam rubber between your palms to make the leaves wrinkled. Thread the leaves onto a thick wire piece. We've wrapped it with floral tape in advance. Stick the stem into the foam plastic berry. Hot glue the leaves to the berry. Make other fruit pieces in the same way. Cut off the excess of a foam plastic ball. Make a hole with the heated nozzle of a hot glue gun. Smooth the cut plastic. Shape the fruit using the hot glue gun. Color it with acrylic paints. Redhead has 2 strawberries, and Dolly has an apple and an orange. The light fruit pieces look like balloons. You can fly away with them, or at least take creative photos for your Instagram. I wonder what is better, a ponytail taken to the front or the back? That is the question. There is nothing new under the sun. And what about a photo cartoon? Paint a face on an A3 sized piece of glass using acrylic paints. The face should be distorted, caricatured, and with funny proportions. Dolly puts the glass with the painted face in front of her. Unbelievable! The effect is awesome! Besides, you can change the picture whenever you want. Just wipe it off using fabric soaked in nail polish remover. And you can use the glass in your other projects. The girls are looking through their friends' profiles. They are on vacation. Dolly dreams about exotic photos too. We need to figure out something. I've got an idea. A pyramid. Print a pyramid template and cut it out with allowances. Fasten 4 elements with double-sided tape. Make a few 3D pyramids of different sizes. We go to Egypt. We are moving the pyramids to the nearest beach, to be precise. Dolly puts the mini pyramids on the sand and pretends that she is an empress of ancient pharaohs. Now she is like a mysterious sphinx. She guards secrets of ancient pyramids. Bright and creative makeup can work at any time. A little effort and you will get as many likes as you want. Let's remember an old Instagram icon and transfer the retro Polaroid into original lip makeup. Cover the upper lip with brown face paint. Leave a half circle in the center free of paint. Don't color an area on one side of the lip either. Cover the bottom lip with light beige face paint. Leave a free of paint half circle here too. This will be a lens. Apply the signature colored stripes to the unpainted part of the upper lip. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Apply beige face paint across the edge of the half circle on the upper lip. Paint the center black. Paint the uncolored area of the bottom lip in the same color. Add purple shade to the center and paint a square on the top lip with it too. This is a viewfinder. Shade the lens on the bottom lip with darker beige face paint. Make glints on the lens with white. Add them to the viewfinder. Use brown eyeshadow to shade the bottom lip. The retro Polaroid on your lips will be a real bomb.com for your profile. You can make a filter with colorful drops out of a piece of clear glass. Dissolve different colorings in water. Pour them into spray bottles. Apply colorful drops to the glass. Put the glass in front of the model. Change the focus and take shots. Was there a colored rainfall, or is it a rainbow reflection in the drops? Hurry up to take a few photos before the drops dry out. Mysterious effect is guaranteed. Out of EOS? Don't hurry up to throw it away. You can take amazing snaps with it. Put an open lip balm onto your palm and find its place under the model far on the background. Who is it? Our Vicky? No, it's a tiny EOS fairy. She was hiding under the lip balm, and when it finished, she got out of her hideaway to look at the world. Dolly is deep into reading. All of a sudden, a candy cloud appears over a book. What is it? Flying candies? Vicky has brought her candy theater. Cut off the excess sticks of caramel candies. Wind fishing line around the sticks. Hot glue to fasten, and tie up the fishing line to a chocolate candy wrapper. Unfold a paper clip. Tie up the other end of the fishing line with the candy to the paper clip. Attach the paper clip to a hot pot stand. Hurry up to take awesome candy selfies with the flying candies before you eat them together with your friend. You can't see the fishing line, so the candies seem to be flying right out of the book. Dolly is disappointed. She has so many nice photos and not too many likes. We need to change the situation right now. Her friend comes to the rescue. She has a printed Instagram frame. These photos will definitely get tons of likes. Is it something wrong with my eyesight? Or Redhead has put her makeup only on one eye? Nope. It's just a special hack for a photo shoot. Put 2 small Instagram photo frames to your lips and the eye with makeup on. Redhead wears makeup in the frames and no makeup outside of the frames. Amazing! Feel like a comic character. Put on mysterious makeup of a superwoman. Cover your eyebrows with bright pink face paint. Create a stylized shape. Apply the same face paint to your lips. Define your bottom eyelid with light turquoise. Outline your eyebrows with black. Apply long spiny liner on the upper lid. Define the turquoise area on the bottom with black. Add a dramatic black effect to your lips. Draw black stripes on your face. Define your nose, cheeks, cheekbones, and neck. Add glints on the lips. Apply rows of red dots using a blunt pencil end. Make a few similar areas on the face and neck. We bet your nearest and dearest won't recognize you in this makeup. There are never enough photos when you are outdoors. Redhead adopts different poses for Dolly, but the photos they get are ordinary and not interesting. They need to come up with something. Sunglasses! Let's use them in a different way. First off, hold the sunglasses in front of the lens as a filter. Then move them a bit to get the frame in the shot. Change the focus. Point it at the model and at the glasses in turn. The effect has exceeded all expectations. Did you like our photo hacks for Instagram? Then write in your comments which of them you are going to use for making the ultimate Instagram profile. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new life hack videos on the Troom channel.